How to set up WhatsApp group call or conference video call. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open WhatsApp on your phone. On your main screen, you can either swipe right or tap on the calls tab. Now on this page, you will see the option of create a call link. Tap on that. WhatsApp will instantly generate a unique call link for you. After the link is created, you can choose the type of call you want to host, either a video call or audio call. Once you have selected the call type, go ahead and tap on this option. Now you can pick the contacts you want to invite from your list. Go ahead and select that. When the link has been shared, all that's left to do is wait for people to join. Anyone with the link can tap it, enter the call, just like joining a meeting on Google Meet or Zoom. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.